Imagine climbing Mount Everest. Think of all the things that need to happen for it to come about. Having first a dream to want to climb the mountain, and then setting goals to be able to get there. Well, we need to do this when we want to climb Mount Everest, and we need to do this in our business.
I love that analogy because we know we wouldn't just show up at the base of Mount Everest without a plan. Like that would just be foolish. And yet I am the first one to admit when I went out on my own as an entrepreneur, I didn't have a plan. I just went, this is a really good idea. It really felt like a calling for me to be a life coach. And so it's like, I'm just going to do this. And friends, I figured some of it out and it was really clunky. And it wasn't until truthfully, I allowed my ego to set aside and ask for help from you as my business coach. And you had strategies and you helped me kind of see what a plan could look like. And yeah, so I really am like your biggest fan over here. And now I've jumped ship and I'm working alongside of you, right? But I just think it's so important that us as business people, the owners and entrepreneurs, that we know we need a plan.
Yeah, just think about the power of having a dream, like I want to climb Mount Everest, or I want to start a business. I want to be a business owner. Or if you're currently a business owner and you have a dream for where you want your business to go, that allows you to be able to connect with people and bring people together. But you have to have a plan in order to be able to get there. Just having that dream is not quite enough.
Yeah.
It starts with that, but you need to be able to do more. And that's why what we're doing is putting together a business planning day on November the 10th, where we're going to combine my business strategy and your mindset, because that's a big piece about achieving our dreams and goals in life.
Yeah, and just imagine being in a room with other business owners and entrepreneurs that are in the same wheelhouse as you, of just like they're trying to figure it out. They've had success, but they know that they can go bigger and better. And often it's brainstorming as well, because we're going to have some time in the agenda to be able to do that, to network and go, what's working in your business, what's working over here, and then also just learning the actual process of planning so that 2024 can be your best year yet.
Yeah, we've laid out a 4-step process that we're going to walk through for that day. It starts with your foundation. What are you already doing well? And we build off of that. Think of the Mount Everest analogy and going, all right, I'm already a climber, I'm already a hiker, I want to achieve this bigger goal. Well, when we start with our foundation and know what we do well, that allows us to be able to build off of that towards what our vision is. What is that dream? That's the second step. What's that dream, that vision that you have for your business that you want to get to? And then this is where the mindset comes in. The third step are, what are some of those challenges that we face, those obstacles that get in the way? We know where we want to get to, the top of the mountain. What are some of those obstacles that we're going to face along the way? And then finally, we end up with the fourth one, and that is the most important one, and wrapping up the day of setting goals that you're going to go out and achieve. And when we can walk through these 4 steps, foundation, vision, obstacles, and goals, that gets us to a point where we have takeaways for the end of the day, and you be able to take that into your business for 2024 and take it back to your employees, to your contractors, to your vendors, to your customers, and say, this is where we're going, and this is how we're going to get there. Yeah.
Just even the confidence, once you have the clarity of what it is that you want to do and how you're going to do it, just elevates that level in your business. And to your point, to all of those around you that you are leading to be able to get there. So super excited, and we invite you to join us November 10th. It's an all-day event, and we're feeding you some really yummy food, and you're going to leave there with a plan to be able to make 2024 the most impactful and revenue generating year possible.
Yeah, so it's in person here in Langley, and we would love for you to attend. And for those watching right now, there's an early bird rate on until October 31st. After that, it goes up to full price. So make sure you check out all the information on our website. We'd love to have you. We look forward to hosting you, and come with all of your questions and plans and dreams that you have on what you want to accomplish in 2024.
See you then.